Welcome everyone. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Hey Danny, hey Saul, what's up guys? What's up? Hello everyone. Well, oh, Q, welcome. Eloy, what's up? Nathan, hello. Hey guys, what's up? The independent variable. Oh, starting with the questions already, huh? Okay, so what EMAs, SMAs are you using? I only use SMAs. Okay, I do not use EMAs. Those are not my style. All right, and the reason why is that, well, I started out with SMAs when I first started, and that's what I stuck with. So, you know, I don't want to change, right? I just have to do something that I'm comfortable with, and other people are more comfortable using EMAs. So that is my only reason that I use SMAs literally, and also because of the fact that it's easier to use SMAs when you're swing trading. All right. Welcome people on YouTube. Hopefully you guys can hear me on YouTube. The music shouldn't be too loud, but let me actually bring it down a little bit more. Okay. The independent variable, did that make sense if you're still here? A lot of people who joined and left. There we go. Hey, Harley Hustles, what's up? I will see you. Mionaka, what is up? All right, so the reason why the live is a little bit late today is that it's my birthday today. It's my birthday. So have you guys seen the story already on Instagram? You guys should know that there is a 50% site-wide sale going on. If you guys use the 50 off coupon, you'll get 50% off. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hope everyone's having a good night. Yes, we are. I especially am. Thank you, Lloyd. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I hope everyone has some tickers that they want to go over, since we did have a crazy after hours price action after really bad earnings on Facebook and Shopify as well, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So we shall see. We shall see. Mahasan, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Thank you all. Okay, so what I'm looking at right now is ES, SPY, S&P 500 E-mini futures. So this one is, it's just basically overlooking the overnight price action on SPY, basically. I tend to use it as a sentiment indicator or overnight, whether or not we're strong or not. But if you take a look on the daily time frame for futures here, okay, S&P futures, and even SPY, right? You do the same thing with SPY, right? SPY today retested the 21 SMA. I talked about this on Monday, okay, right here. So indeed, we climbed all the way up higher, okay, and then we retested the 21, and we eventually closed above it. And the only thing that I was very cautious about was the volume, okay? And I told people on the live, and I told people on my CFO Swinger Watch as well, and the CFO Discord, that I'm going to be very cautious into this week in the event that any bounce. Sure, there's a good bounce, but there is no conviction from the market investors, right? There isn't much volume. So I don't know if people are actually buying this dip that we had here from the correction. But overall, it seems like we had a great bounce so far. We just don't know for sure if tomorrow we're going to continue to sell off, right? After that nice big movement to the downside afterwards, after all the earnings came out. Hey, what's up? No stop loss. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The con man, welcome. Well, the con man. What's up? What's up? Winay, welcome, welcome. No stop loss. Welcome. Mahasan, chart on QCOM. Okay, I shall do that. Thank you everyone for joining for this late night TA session here, CFO TA night. It's my birthday today, so just wanted to still do a TA session for you all. Let's see. So I see that. I think there's another person. Okay. Hey, Dion. Thank you. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Thank you so much. Okay, so that's kind of my outlook on SPY. It feels like we're going to go lower for a little bit. So either we get some nice consolidation coming in, okay, or we pull back all the way and we retest the 10 SMA here, which is my red line here. If you guys can see my cursor, it's my red line, all right? That's my 10 SMA. So we come back down here, retest it, and bounce off of it. Or we go all the way down and break the 10 SMA again and come back to the 200 SMA, okay? So, I think it's something that we have to be cautious of, right? We will see a pullback tomorrow. We're for sure for that. We're seeing that already in overnight future. So watch out for that, okay? Thank you, the comment. Thank you so much. Hey, Marinaka. Man's providing knowledge on his birthday. Yes, yes, yes. I'm trying my best here for you all. Yeah, let me pin that for you. Thank you. I'll even screenshot that. All right. Oh. Okay, we're back. Okay, so that's basically it on SPY. Let's take a look at QCOM. So QCOM had earnings, okay, and I'm actually short the semiconductor sector because I think semiconductors had a great run. Um, so I'm short SMH, which is the semiconductor ETF here, right? But I think for QCOM, okay, so for the overall semiconductor sector, for 2022, I believe that there's gonna be a continuation of huge demand. There's gonna be a lot more demand as we get even more technologically advanced, including metaverse things, right? And the more kind of cleaner energy that we use, we're gonna need some chips as well. I go more deeper into the CFO Swing Watch, and I'll be going more deeper this week. Next week. On next week's CFO Swing Watch on Sunday. So if you guys want to join, make sure you guys use the 50% discount code, 50 off on checkout, so that you guys can get in tonight. So this is I've never done a half off discount before. So I'm feeling very generous today. It is my birthday, right? So I just want you guys to all come in and be a part of the community here that we have, and really learn and earn what you learn. So it's literally a learn and earn system there. So I'm very proud to have a great family of people in the CFO Discord, and for all the CFO Swing Watch, people who really read the CFO Swing Watch, thoroughly and follow it every single week. But yes, so QCOM, I believe QCOM ended around like 170ish, somewhere around there. I believe it did dump a little bit lower initially, and I think it came right back up and it came back down again. So tomorrow, if we end up below 170 in the morning, so around like near 169, I'm going to expect another flush downward to around 160, and that's where we'll find immediate support around 160. All right. So 160, there we go. So 160 should be where we can find another support, but that fast movement downwards to the downside at 160 to 161ish might be a leeway for sellers to come in. So don't just buy in at 160 to 161, because we have to wait until we see some type of bounce coming in from buyers. Okay. Hey, investor Marwan, welcome. All right, so that's it for QCOM. Hassan, Elon, Microsoft. You know what, Elon? I'm actually liking Microsoft a lot more now this week, just because of the fact that we have the momentum SMAs, the 10 and the 21 here. They're very close to each other, right? They're not as far away like we saw on SPY here, right? The distance between the 10 and the 21, right? It's not too far, and which is what I like. I like to have tight SMAs so that when they're coiling and tight together like this, the price has a lot more indication that there's a lot more room to move, right? So instead of it's being very, very close together here, right, between the 10 and then the 21, and so there's a higher probability that the price is able to move in the larger distance, right? There's a higher probability that we can move away from the SMAs because of the fact that these two SMAs are kind of together, and they're coiled together and very close in proximity. So Microsoft, I think there's a good relative strength in it so far. We've held and closed above the 21 SMA. And so now we have the 21 and the 10 SMA providing support as SMAs, as momentum SMAs. So that means the momentum is to the upside. Now we have to take in the overall market action here. And what do? We dumped afterwards, right? I believe on SPY, we ended up going a little bit lower than today's low today after hours. So we have to see what brings us tomorrow, what type of action brings us tomorrow at market open. But so far, Microsoft can see another flush downward if we lose 308.50-ish tomorrow on Microsoft. So around 308.50 to around 308 will be the area to watch if we reject again, which is our previous level of resistance. But so far we're forming a nice inverse head and shoulders here. All right, if you guys can see this, right? We have a relative area that will be our neckline, around 312. Okay, 312.50ish, around there, and well, I would say 312.50ish to around 313.50ish. So nice dollar range there. But depending on how the market moves tomorrow, it might completely negate this inverse head and shoulders. So if you guys don't see it, this is our left shoulder, our inverted head, and then our inverted right shoulder. Okay, so this is our little tiny smiley, closed eye smiley face, or inverted head and shoulders. So that's a very bullish chart pattern here. So let's see how it turns out tomorrow. So watch out for that 308. If you get rejected to the downside, then we have 305.50 as the next support, which is another 3-point move. That'd be a great scalp, and we can possibly go down to around 300 again. Okay, Eloy. So I would say 305.50, and then 302.50, and then 300 will be your areas to take profits. So you have 3 areas to take profits at. Okay. So that's a little game plan for you already. Yeah, the inverse head and shoulders, yeah. But I believe you did hedge, Eloy, in the Discord. If I got that message correct, if I interpret that message correctly in the Discord. But Nino, what's up? What's up? What is that? What is that? Yeah, so inverse head and shoulders. It should be a good. Depending on how we hold around 308, since that is the resistance that we saw this whole week and last week actually. So hopefully your calls work out and you can take profits on SPY, and maybe you can even average down on Microsoft if and only if we see a bounce. That's the only condition there, only parameter that you have to look out for. So that's it for Microsoft. Yeah, let me actually clean the camera for you guys on Instagram. There we go. Looks a little less hazier. Miyonaka, yes, gold, good. Yeah. So I believe one of my members in the Silver String Watch, Anthony, he's been in gold since like right here, I believe, on discounts like here. So that's very good. On the weekly time frame, it's even better. Weekly and monthly. Look how tight we're getting here on gold. I mean, this is like amazing consolidation. Like as a swing trader, guys, this is one of those patterns that you just want to see. This coiling type of action here, right? And eventually we'll bam and break to the upside. Okay, so this is amazing consolidation right at this descending level of resistance here. Okay, and so gold is something that you guys should watch out for. If we break above 170 again, that may be the run that gold has been waiting for. And eventually, if we break above 175, okay, after the break of 170 and 171, that's when we can go back and head towards 180 to 185 for gold there. Okay, so we're not gonna keep on watching gold. If you're not in yet, you can always dollar cost average into gold for a hedge against inflation and the overall market. Okay, the overall equity market, since gold is a commodity. Salsa, what's up? What's up? And Nino, you said you're loving this after our healthy dip back to all-time highs. Yeah, I mean, we've been seeing good bounce so far. I mean, I can't lie about that, obviously. I mean, great bounce. I believe it's like I think like for 5%. Is that 5% bounce already from lows here? Yeah, or more than 5%. Yeah. I believe Monday was a 5%. Yeah. Okay, so I was remembering Monday's percentage move, but we were past almost 7%. Okay, or I think we were at 7% if I kind of do it more accurately. Yeah, so we reached 70% today on the bounce. So it is a very healthy movement to the downside. Nino, you're correct on that. Dion, you're welcome back. Welcome back. And Troy, what's up? What's up? So, I think for SPY here, it looks very good. ES, SPY mini futures, S&P 500 futures, we're kind of bouncing, and hopefully we can start flagging. So what I expect in the near term future here, in the next few days or into next week, I want to see something like this, right? I want to see something like this forming, like, on futures and in SPY, right? Little tiny flag, or just a nice little tiny descending channel here, right? Which is an overall flag, right? So I want something like this to form here, and so that means we're gonna need to have some downside days again, right? We're going to need a little tiny pullback. So depending on how much we pull back, okay, depending on how much we pull back and how much volume comes in for sellers as we're pulling back, it's going to determine whether or not we will pull back all the way down and make this, okay, make this our second lower high. Okay, so hopefully we don't get too big of a pullback, but that all depends tomorrow, right? Anything can happen, so be ready, be hedged. Okay. Hey, I'm Troy. Thank you for those emojis. You're the emoji goat there. Every single time I'm being alive. Okay, so another name that I'm looking at is Starbucks. Okay. Thank you for the birthday wishes, guys. Thank you so much. So Starbucks is very, very strong even after hours. I think it's been holding within the price range that we made today, and even on relatively bad earnings, I think Starbucks is a pretty good bargain. Underneath 100 here. I mean, last year they were around $60 and $40 at the COVID dip, so. And Starbucks has been getting even more and more growth throughout this entire year and last year. So I think there's a good chance that Starbucks continues to stay, strong even in this market pullback. But I would say hold off until now because the market seems to be wanting to pull back a little bit after this bounce, which is always good. We want to see a healthy pullback. Just get ready to hedge on the pullback and be ready to get back in when we bounce again or break out of resistances. Yes, Nina, you're right. CFO Swing Watch members know we hedge always. Okay, it's always good to hedge because first of all, you can sleep overnight. You don't need to sleep with one eye open and looking at the charts, right? And it's always a good idea. It's just a good idea, right? We're not hedging at random areas though, right? We're hedging when we need to. Right, that's always the idea for CFO Swing Watch members here, okay, in the CFO Discord. When I tell people to hedge, people listen because, well, I'm always looking to hedge when we need to hedge, right? So, we're not randomly hedging, okay? You need to know that we have to hedge at a certain time and area, and today calls for that. As we kind of reach the outermost top of the bounce, and also we had ER coming in as well, a lot of earnings, and earnings will always provide volatility, and we got that tonight as VIX start to shoot up again. And if you guys look at VIX, it's also primed for a nice bounce today. So if VIX breaks above 32 to 34 again, we might just make another higher high on VIX, and that means SPY will most likely continue to go down and pull back even more with more volatility. Okay, I hope that makes sense. But Nino is very, very correct. We will always hedge when it's time to hedge. All right, we will never randomly hedge. So if you guys want to know when we hedge, just join the CFO Discord. And if you guys don't know already from my story, it's a 50% discount, half off on the whole CFO Swing Watch. You get the CFO Swing Watch, and you get to join the CFO Discord. Right? I mean, that's the best that you can have, right? And you get that for half off, right? Half, right? It's probably the best deal that I've ever had because, well, I never had a half discount. So make sure you guys join. A couple people have already joined, so if you guys want to take action like them, take action now. It's going to end on Friday. So, I was planning on just having the sale tonight since it's my birthday, but I decided to extend it to Friday because I just want to see, be generous to you all. I want everyone to benefit off of the trading that we do in Charts Focus One in CFO community and in the CFO Discord. And I really want you guys to read the CFO Swinger Watch that I send every single Sunday. They average to around 25 to 30 pages. Okay. I would say the average number will be around like 26, 27. But I tend to write a lot. But people do tend to enjoy what I like to say. And if you guys want to see what I'm saying, please join the CFO Swing Watch. Hey, Renaka, thank you so much for joining this late night stream. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, I believe you're in the Discord, CFO Discord, if I'm not mistaken. You're one of my members, I believe. But yes, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay, so if you guys want to join now. This is your opportunity here. So get out the live stream here. Okay, get out the live stream. Join. Use the 50% discount code. It's 50 off. Okay. And people on YouTube, if you want to use that discount code, just check out the link in the description box below. Click on the first link that says the CFO Swing Watch. Click on it and choose whatever tier that you want to subscribe with, and use 50 off, which is the discount code at checkout. All right. Meonaka, thank you so much. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow morning, man. Okay. Anyone else want to kind of go over something here? And there's a Karki. What's up? And Ryuz, what is up? And Ryuz, I hope I can see you in the CFO Discord today. Thank you. So for the people who've been pondering about joining, this is your chance. You guys can get in at half off. I mean, come on, right? Oh, look at that. And Choi, we got the same thoughts here. Yes. So I'm looking at a bank name right now, BAC. So let's go ahead and look at XLF. So XLF, very strong. It's one of those sectors that have been consistently strong so far in this pullback. We broke above the 39.50-ish level of resistance again, which is amazing. But the fact that, the market's pulling back now. I'm expecting us to pull back a little bit more into 39 again. So that's kind of the area that you want to look out for, Troy, tomorrow if we continue to go back. Excuse me. I had a little bit of alcohol, guys. Took a little shot. But excuse me for that hiccup. But I think for XLF, the major SMAs here, so we have the 50, 10, and 21, and 200. They're all coiling here, right? They're very close to each other. So I'm looking for a nice stratospheric move, or a nice euphoric move to the all-time highs again on XLF, since at the very least, XLF is very strong. M-Troy said, okay, RP might calls. I mean, if you have long-term expiration, you shouldn't be too worried, because if you do bounce tomorrow on XLF, which has been a very resilient sector, there's a good chance that you can bounce around 39 tomorrow, which is another 0.87 cents down. So I understand. I understand your sad face there for your calls, but hopefully we bounce tomorrow. Hey Derek, what's up? Welcome to the live. Late live. Thank you for joining. I know some of you guys are, just snuggling in your bed. Hopefully you guys are warm. But I think there could be hope. But for everyone who's been on the line of joining, this is your chance. Join in when it's half off on all tiers. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, right? Lifetime, yearly, and monthly. All right. So join in when it's half off. I kid you not, you guys, I can 10,000% guarantee you guys will never regret joining. Okay, there's always something to learn in the CFO Swing Watch, and there's always something to learn and earn in the CFO Discord. Okay, so this is your chance to get in tonight. You guys have until Friday, so there's 2 more days there, right? And Troy, yes, UNG calls, yeah, absolutely crazy today, right? Ever since we've been looking at it. It's been going off. Okay, I got in right here, around here. So great swing trade, and I got out right here. This counts. Like, well, obviously we went up a lot more, But I'm waiting for a little more of a pullback here. But you can already tell, right? I'm sure UNG calls, right? There's tension between Russia and Ukraine. It's going crazy here, right? Hey, Shakira, what's up? So for the people who are not in the CFO Swing and Watch, I gave my CFO Swing and Watch members on Sunday, that UNG is something that you guys should be looking out for, United Natural Gas. And that's, I gave you guys that right here, okay? And, I think, yeah. So I got it right here, and I was anticipating a nice run, which we're already seeing, right? And I think there's gonna be a lot more of a run for UNG to move. I truly believe that we can be in the 20s soon for UNG. Hey, what's up, Jay? Haven't seen you in a while. Shakir, thank you. More life to you, man, as well. Thank you. My Jordan year, 23. But UNG here, I think. Yeah, so UNG, we can move to the top of this resistance here, around 21 to around 21.50, and continue up higher as the Ukraine and Russian conflicts heat up. And you guys can already see how much of a move we made already, right, on UNG. Ever since I've told my CFO Swing and Watch subscribers, right, and since I got in as well. So I'm looking to get in again on a pullback, little tiny pullback here, right? We're a little bit overextended now. Even on the RSI, right, we're a little bit overbought. And after a nice big gap up 2 times here actually, or 3 times. But the big gap ups have happened 2 times already, including today. So I think there's a good chance that we can fill one of these gaps, and I can get in around like $16, $17 here, hopefully. And let's see what happens for UNG. So UNG can be a very big runner this year, all of this year actually. The first quarter of 2022, you never know. But hopefully you guys can join at the 50% discount on the CFO Swing and Watch. It's half off, right? What else can you guys risk, right? And Troy, what time frame do you usually use for entries? 15-minute time frames. 15-minute or 5 minutes. As simple as it gets, literally. I have nothing else more to say. 15-minute and 5-minute. I don't have a specific strategy or anything, right? I look out for the break of a price level and I get in on a 15-minute time frame. That's it. Yes, and Troy, yes. Hey, welcome, Joel. Hopefully I can see you back in the CFO Swing and Watch again. I also use 1 hour for entries. Huh, interesting. The 60-minute, huh? Yeah, I mean that's a preference there. For me, that's not a preference. But if that works for you, I mean, go ahead. I mean, 60 minutes is perfectly fine as well. You can actually see the bigger picture for your entries and exits as you kind of go bigger on the time frame. So good job. Okay, so if no one else has any takers to send me, we'll end this live stream here. But I'm sure you said I still don't know how some people use a 1 minute. Yeah, so 1 minute can be used mostly for those quick scalpers. So they risk a lot for small. Well, not small, but they risk a lot for huge gains from a small time frame. So they're in for like, I'll say what. Like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you know what I'm saying? So I think that's something that you can look into if you want to be a really quick scalper. But yeah, Dion, UPS, you already know this. So my CFO Swing and Watch members, if you guys are in here, I had UPS since what time frame, guys? Last year, all right? So for the people not in the CFO Swing and Watch, I gave UPS back in December, early December, and I'm so bullish on it, okay? And I gave you guys a fundamental analysis on why. And you guys, if you guys don't remember, go back to the December, early December and mid-December CFO Swing and Watch newsletters, guys, for people in the CFO Swing and Watch, and read it again. And I tell you guys why I'm so bullish, and I'm still having a price target of 250 to around 260 for UPS. Dion, UPS is going to continue to go up higher. Great strength in the stock overall. Seems like we're first of all, this is going to be a great swing name. Okay, this is one of my swing stocks here that I'm looking for this week for an entry, because first of all, in the next few weeks or next few days, if we hold above the lows of this gap up on the ER reaction, okay, and we start forming a nice level of resistance around 233.50. All right, if you break above that, that's my entry. Okay, so 233.50 to around 234, that's gonna be my breakout entry for another move higher on UPS. Okay, but first off, great hold again today. We did not break the lows on the ER reaction candlestick here, which is around $222.01. But if you break below that, then I'm not bullish on it anymore. But so far, great action today. It tells me that, okay, bulls want to hold this gap up, right? And so if you do hold this gap up, right? If you do hold this gap up, that means there's a good chance that buyers are still continuing to roll in, and we can continue to push up higher, possibly towards my price target, my first price target around 250, eventually 260. Okay, so UPS, watch out for that, guys. Okay. Hey, Jesus, welcome. Haven't seen you in a while as well. So UPS, great swing stock candidate here for the next few weeks. So if you guys want to get in at the break of 234, go right ahead. This will be a great entry, depending on if we lose or hold the low of this candlestick, which is $222.01. Okay, so watch out for that, guys. All right, but great action overall. Okay, I might even go long tomorrow for a little riskier entry. If the market gaps down and UPS gaps down as well. All right, so hey, Jesus, you know what? It's all about the hustle, right? So keep on working, work hard, trade smart. That is the mantra. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the birthday wishes, guys. Wow, feeling very loved. Thank you. So, I think UPS is gonna be a great trade for the near-term future and for this entire week and next week. A very good swing trade candidate. For people who just joined, if you guys are not in the CFO Swing Watch or the CFO Discord, remember, if you join the CFO Swing Watch, okay, you get access to the CFO Discord. You get 2 things for the price of 1, right? For the price of 1, and that price today is cut off in half, right? 50% discount, 50%. So if you guys are not taking opportunity on this, I mean, I have nothing else to say. Really. I mean, if you guys, because people have been asking me, are you gonna do a discount anytime soon, right? And I always do discounts for you all, because I mean, you guys deserve it, right? I mean, and if you guys ask for it, well, I'll give you one, because you guys asked for it, right? So I'm giving you guys a 50% half off discount, and I can guarantee you guys, 10,000% guarantee you guys that you will 1,000% not regret joining at half price. Okay, can you go over some of your recent day trades? I haven't made any day trades. Closed mouth doesn't get fed. Exactly, Jesus. Exactly. You're understanding it perfectly. I'm gonna actually screenshot that. All right, so yeah, I'm sure. So I haven't been trading much actually, due to family emergencies. But any day trades, if I do see a day trade opportunity, it's something that I think I will take opportunity in. But like I said, I don't do well on day trades. The best I do is swing trading. Okay, I like to stay patient for an entry, look out for sectors that are strong, look out for that breakout entry, and I get in and I hold for multiple days or weeks at a time. Okay, usually I hold for like 2 to 3 days. As soon as you said, Andrew always wants to help, just gotta ask and he'll do anything to help out. Yes. Yes. That's exactly true, guys. Jesus is correct there. So, if you guys want to DM me about anything, if you have questions on anything about what I provide for CFO, or if you want a discount on anything, ask me. Literally, just ask me. I'll give it to you guys. Okay. So for Neo, ooh, Jesus, guess what? I bought Leafs on Neo. So I bought January 2023 contracts yesterday. Oh no, not yesterday. 2 days ago actually. At this big pump here. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame here. Right, we're looking at a nice inverse head and shoulders as well. For Neo here, we did get down to like $22 here. So hopefully we hold up. And let's see how Chinese markets open overnight. But let me go back to the daily time frame here. Okay, so Neo, I got a $50 strike call, January 2023. It expires next year. Okay, so I think we can see some great trades coming in, a swing trade for Neo. So I'm a little bit heavy into Neo right now, Jesus. So that can be a good trade idea for you. It's gonna be cheaper for you tomorrow, actually. So Jesus, actually, I'm actually giving you a great trade. It's gonna be a lot cheaper compared to my entry price for Neo. Since I did getting out that pump, that premium pump on those contracts on Monday on this candlestick right here. So, right here. So hopefully, we'll see. Would you consider that a bear flag? Where? I don't see a bear flag. On the 15-minute for Neo? No, it wasn't supposed to be a bear flag, but after hours movement. Intraday here on Neo, we pushed it back down to $22 support, which is our next level support that we need to hold. So if we hold tomorrow, I'm gonna add more contracts. Okay, if that's what you're wondering about. So this green line right here, where my cursor is at, I'm gonna add right there if it bounce again. Okay. But yes, I am very bullish on Neo for the year into 2023. So I'll be holding those contracts, the 50 strike contracts, for over a year. Yeah, so that's it for Neo. I mean, there's nothing much to see. It's gonna be a nice long-term position trade for me. Okay, or actually it's an investment trade, but another one of those swing trades I love, right? I'm a swing trader. Scallions, bullish on T. T's just a good dividend name, right? It's been going down for the past 5 years, so I mean, it's something that not past 5 years, excuse me, and it hasn't moved anywhere for the past 5 years. So, I mean, T here is just, it's right back at that 5-year support again. Nothing else to see, right? I would say I'm bullish on T if they do something dramatic, anything amazing, right? Sure, there's a 5G hype, right? But hey, I think the 5G hype is pretty much dead. It's died down. I don't think there's nothing to look at on T. If you want to get T, just find shares, get that dividend, right? Great dividend name. Well, not even a good dividend name, but it's one of those things that you just want to have, right? They pay out 52 cents per share, so why not, right? Young investor, hey, what's up, my man? Ahmed, what's up? Ahmed, you better join tonight. Almighty Hana, what's up? Ooh, futures are going crazy right now. So, Jesus, you said PayPal. Yeah, so PayPal, most likely another downside move. We might see support around 120. Okay, so 120 will be your support there. The short-term support, 120. Okay, or around 120.50. Okay, so definitely for PayPal, we can continue to go down to 120, and if we see a nice bounce at 120, I'll get in long for PayPal, and hopefully we can start filling this bounce right here. Okay. Hey Pyro, I haven't seen you in a while as well. Welcome. Almost missed it. Well, you came just in time, because I'm about to end here after PayPal. But everyone who just joined. Okay, if you guys haven't seen my story here, if you guys have been on the line, on the sidelines about joining, make sure you guys join for 50% off. Okay, this is one of those opportunities that doesn't come often. But since it is my birthday, I want to be giving you guys 50% off on everything, on all tiers, right? If you don't want to take opportunity of this generosity, then hey, that's on you. Right? That's on you guys. I'm not gonna force you guys or anything. So do what you guys want to do, right? With that 50% discount. Suits F is staying strong. I'll tell you that. If you remember, I don't know Jesus if you're in here when I did F, but we're right back into that. Oh, Parry said I tried to join, but the code doesn't work. Has someone said the same thing? No. Oh, I'm so sorry. Pyro, I'll let everyone know. Thank you for that. No one has told me that yet. That's weird. Okay. I will make sure to have it working again right after the live, and you can join. Okay. I'll message you when it's working again. All right. But Pyro, make sure to actually DM me after the live, just to make sure that I remember who texted me and who told me that the discount wasn't working. So I'll make sure to have that working for you and for other people as well. But yes, hopefully everyone I can join that wants to join, please join by tonight. Right? It's an opportunity that you guys do not want to miss. Okay. Ahmed, thank you so much. Okay, so F and KOS will be the last. Okay, I never heard of KOS, but Hana, we'll see. F. So F is looking relatively strong. We're right back in that flag range. And what is the flag range? Support is at $19. And resistance of the flag is around 20.50 to 21. Okay, so hopefully we can see another move higher above 21, because 21 will be our level of resistance for now. So if we are able to break above 21, we can see all-time highs again, maybe actually until 23 here. Okay, which should be my target if we break above 21. Only if, right? If and only if we break above 21, then we can see 23 again. But I don't think we're gonna see much on F. We do have earnings coming up tomorrow, I believe, after hours. So depending on how everything goes, I believe GM did pretty okay. It wasn't too bad, but I would expect the same results from F as well. After what I saw on GM, General Motors. So I think Ford will do well as well. But I'm not expecting too much of a crazy price reaction and volatility after hours, after earnings. So yes, for people who want to join with the 50% discount code, please let me know if it didn't work for you guys, so that I can individually message you when it's starting to work again, and I'll make sure to post on my Instagram as well, and notify you guys that it's working. Okay, so Pyro, thank you so much for telling me that. Okay, so hopefully I can see you tonight, because I'll make sure it's working again right after the live stream here. So KOS is the last one here. Cosmos Energy, what is this? Okay, kind of looks like ET, energy transfer. Huh. Looks pretty nice. So KOS, very tight action here. I'm liking it. So if I do some quick TA here, so we have good support around $4. Good support around $4. We have a flag here forming. Nice flag, right? More like an ascending a symmetrical triangle or a wedge. But if you're able to break above 4.80, right, that'll be a good entry there. And we're very strong here. The SMAs are coiling together, right? You guys like how I like to have my SMAs coiling. You guys know that already. I'm gonna set an alert at 4.80. This is a great looking stock. Thank you very much. Hana, I believe, right? Okay, let me add that alert there. Perfect. So, depending on how we move tomorrow, I might even just get in on this one, because energy has been so strong. And it's a very cheap name here. So, looking good. Seems like we have some very heavy supply overhead, but hey, if you're able to break above $5 here, then that's very good. Okay, so KOS, that's what I think here, Hana. 4.80 is my level to get in at, or if you just want to get in above the high of the day today, it's also good as well. I mean, you know, whatever works for you, whatever risk tolerance works for you, right? I can get in at 460 if I want to. Set an alert there as well. Okay. Hey, Mr. Pudding, I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome. Pyro, thank you so much for the birthday wish. Okay, so that's it for Cosmos. Okay, KOS, thank you for that, Hana. Okay, so for everyone who tried the discount code, I apologize. I didn't know it wasn't working, but I'll make sure to have that working right after the live stream. So Pyro and anyone else like Ahmed, if you want to join tonight, please join. Use the discount code 50 off at checkout. I'll make sure it's up and running again right after the live stream. I'll text you guys, I'll DM you guys. I'll put it on my Instagram story as well that it's working again. So you guys should be able to join by tonight at a discount of, well, 50%. So half off, right? You guys don't want to miss this opportunity here. Okay, I'm being very generous here for you all to grab this opportunity. Okay, so hopefully you guys can. No, Pyro, you probably didn't input the code wrong. So probably something's wrong on my side. So yes, of course. You're welcome, and thank you for even joining, Pyro. But I'll make sure to message you and post on Instagram as well on my story. Okay, thank you everyone for joining on this special live on my birthday here. Thank you everyone for the birthday wishes. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next week live stream on Monday. We'll be back on our regular schedule of 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Hopefully everyone gets a good night's rest of sleep. Okay, good luck in the markets tomorrow, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Hopefully I can see you guys in the CFO Discord after the live stream. Have a great rest of your night. Bye guys.